Now we will discuss some question. If you are having problem, then ask. In students, in chapter 13, you are having any problem? In chapter 13, students, you are having any problem? No? Then question is that volume and surface area of solid hemisphere are numerically equal. What is given to you? Volume of hemisphere is equals to the surface area of solid hemisphere, that is TSA of hemisphere, are equal. Then what is the diameter of the hemisphere? What is the diameter of the hemisphere, students? What is the answer? Anyone? What is the diameter of the hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. And what is the TSA of hemisphere? 3 pi r square. Yes, diameter is? No. 2/3 pi r cube minus 3 pi r square is equals to 0. From here, pi r square we will take out common. Then 2/3 r minus 3 is equals to 0. Now we will find out here 2/3 r minus 3 equals to 0, and pi r square will go in 0. So 2/3 r equals to 3. So here 2r is equals to 9, and 2r is its diameter or not? So diameter will come the 9 centimeter. So this question is totally based on students formula. किस पे बेस है? फॉर्मूले पे बेस है. तो अच्छा, ओके. Next, two identical solid hemisphere of equal base radius are strung together along their bases. What will be the total surface area of the combination? If we have to join, students, two hemisphere, then we get a sphere. Then whose radius is r? Two hemisphere is present here. First hemisphere is that one, whose base radius is r, and second hemisphere also, whose base radius is r. If we will join, then what we are forming here? A sphere, and whose radius will come same or not? R. So what is the total surface area? 4 pi r square, because 2 pi r square CSA 2 pi r square, and if we will join, then we will obtain the 4 pi r square. Next question is that yes. Example number 5 of exercise which exercise? 13.2. Example number 5th. Now listen, in 13.2 of exercise example number 5th, given to you shape, the Santa runs an industry in a shed which is in the shape of cuboid. If the base of the shed is in the dimension of that one, height is that cuboid, is find the volume of air that is present in the shed. Occupies the total space is that, and the 20 worker each of that. So first of all, here we will identify that how many shapes are present here. So one is cuboid and the second one is that cylinder, half cylinder. So how we will find out the volume of that object? Volume of cuboid plus half of the volume of cylinder, which will gives us the total volume of that one or not?
Yes, sir.
After that, total space occupied by the machinery is equals to 300 meter cube. Out of that total space, 300 meter cube space is required for machinery, and total space occupied by the worker. One worker is occupied 8 meter cube sphere. Then total number of worker are there is 20. So the 20 worker occupies the space 0.8 meter cube, which is equals to 1.6 meter cube. And machinery is 300 meter cube. So the volume of the air when there are machinery and worker, so total volume क्या कैलकुलेट किया था? 1128.75 minus we will subtract the volume of the machinery and the volume of the worker. 300 plus 1.6, which will gives us the volume of the air. Understand? Any problem? So first of all, from diagram you will identify that here how many shapes are present, and according to these shapes you will find out the answer. In exercise 13.1, 2, 3, any problem? If you solve question 13.2, question number 8. In 13.2, question number 8, a spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck. A spherical glass vessel, that is a spherical glass vessel, has a cylindrical neck. After that, question number 8 of 13.2. Cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long. The height of the cylinder is 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter is in diameter. Their diameter is 2 centimeter. If the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter, by measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds that the volume is 345 centimeter cube, and you will take pi value 3.4. Then you will check whether the answer is correct or not. So how we will find? Volume is equals, total volume is equals to volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. Because here two solids are present, first is the sphere and second is the cylinder. So volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube. Volume of cylinder pi r2 square h2. Volume 4 upon 3, from here pi common, 4 upon 3 r1 cube plus r2 square h. Pi value 3.14, 4 upon 3 multiply. Here diameter is 8.5. So what is the radius? 8.5 upon 2 multiply 8.5 upon 2 multiply 8.5 upon 2 plus R2. Diameter is 2. Then radius is 1. 1 into 1 into 8. Then you will simplify. Then you will obtain answer. If the volume will come numerically is equals to 345, then your answer is correct. And if volume is not come 345, then your answer will be wrong. Understand, students? Yes? सुरई वाला इसमें नहीं मिला, फिर आरडी शर्मा में देखना, आरडी शर्मा मिल जाएगा आपको। Next, in 13 chapter, any problem?
Yes, sir.
Which question?
Sir, question number 3 of 13.5.
Yes, sir.
Question number 13.5. Question number?
B.
A piston internally measuring 150 centimeter into 120 centimeter into that has 12960 centimeter cube of water. So first of all, here the given tank is in the shape of cuboid. After, bricks also given to you here,
Yes, sir.
and volume also given. Then bricks is in the shape of, ब्रिक्स किस शेप में होगी? क्यूबॉइड शेप में होगी. देन वन ब्रिक का वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करो.
Yes, sir.
दिस क्वेश्चन अप टू विच पार्ट कंप्लीटेड? आपने कहां तक कंप्लीट कर लिया क्वेश्चन?
Sir, up to that volume fact that 170 of its own volume. After that, not coming.
170.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
See, each brick allows 170 of its own volume of water.
फर्स्टली वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिस्टम फाइंड आउट कर लिया आपने. Firstly, we will find out a volume of system, which is equals to L into B into H. 150 into 120 into 110. That will come, multiply करो 19812340 centimeter cube. After that, volume to be filled in cistern. Already given to you that 129,600 centimeter cube of water is present or not. So volume to be filled in cistern is equals to total volume 198,000 minus 129,600. That will obtain 185,0400 centimeter. That is the volume to be filled in cistern, because 129,600 water present. After that, we don't know that how many bricks can be porous or placed in the cistern. So let number of bricks be x. Let x number of porous bricks were placed in cistern. Then volume of n x bricks, volume of x bricks is equals to x multiply. Here the dimension of each bricks is given to you, that is 22.5 multiply 7.5 multiply 6.5. That will come 1096.875x. So that is the volume of x bricks. After that, what is given to you? Porous bricks are placed in the water until the cistern is full of the brim. Each bricks absorb 117 of its own volume. So each bricks कितना ऑब्जर्व कर रही है? जो वाटर एब्जॉर्व कर रही है वो कितना एब्जॉर्व कर रही है? जो सेल्फ का वॉल्यूम है उसका 1/17 पार्ट क्या कर रही है? एब्जॉर्व कर रही है. सो वॉल्यूम कितना है आपके पास? 185,0400 प्लस each brick is absorbed that 1/17 multiply by the volume of x brick 1096.875. 875x is equals to, what is the total volume of x brick? 1096.875 multiplied by x. From there you will find out the value of x. Yes.
Sir, why we are adding 1/17 multiplied by 0?
क्वेश्चंस को रीड करो ना, देखो वॉल्यूम ऑफ टू बी फिल्डेड इन सिस्टम इज दैट वन. अब क्या कर रहे हो, ब्रिक्स आप उसी की अंदर एंटर करवा रहे हो. सो ब्रिक्स एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर. वॉट, अब ब्रिक्स कितना वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कर रही है? जो टोटल ब्रिक्स का वॉल्यूम है उसका कितना पार्ट एब्जॉर्ब कर रही है? 1/17 पार्ट इज एब्जॉर्बिंग. या फिर ये भी हो सकता है, इसमें सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट आप ये भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो अगर इसमें प्रॉब्लम है तो. आपके पास कितना 1/17 पार्ट एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है. सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट कितना रह गया? 16/17 मल्टीप्लाई x मल्टीप्लाई 1096.875. ये रहा नहीं रहा आपके पास? 1/17 पार्ट एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है. सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट कितना रह गया? 16/17 ऑफ volume of x bricks, right?
Yes, sir.
Then that volume we will put is equals to the volume to be filled in the system. इसको किसके इक्वल पुट कर दो? 185400 equals to, then find the value of x. Understand? From which step? First देखो, volume of system is in the shape of cuboidal shape, so L into B into H. ये जो आपके पास एक कंटेनर है उसका टोटल वॉल्यूम है आपके पास 19840. आफ्टर दैट हियर इन क्वेश्चन गिवन टू यू दैट 129,600 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ वाटर. अब इसमें कितना वाटर प्रेजेंट है? 129,600 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब वाटर इज प्रेजेंट. देन वी विल फाइंड आउट द स्पेस और द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिस्टम in which water is not present. वो कैलकुलेट करेंगे. then how we will calculate? volume of system minus volume of water. अपने पास सिस्टम का वाटर वॉल्यूम कितना है? 1984 times 0 minus what is the volume of water? 1296. that we will obtain 1850400. that is the volume to be filled in the system. मीनिंग क्या है? सपोज करो एक आपने सिलेंड्रिकल कंटेनर ले लिया. ओके, सिलेंड्रिकल कंटेनर में आपके पास क्या है? 20 लीटर वाटर फिल है और उसकी कैपेसिटी है 100 लीटर की. सो व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग स्पेस इन द सिलेंडर? 80 लीटर इज प्रेजेंट और नॉट? दैट विल फिल्डेड. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट इज हियर. वॉल्यूम टू बी फिल्डेड इन द सिस्टम की कितना वॉल्यूम है आपके पास अभी भी रिमेनिंग जो फिल करना है? 1850400. अब क्या करना है? ये वॉल्यूम है उसको आप किसके इक्वल पुट करोगे? 1/17 पार्ट एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है ईच ब्रिक का. सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट दैट इज नॉट एब्जॉर्बिंग. ये तो क्या कर लिया? एब्जॉर्ब हो गया. तो रिमेनिंग कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? 1 minus 1/17, 17 minus 1/17 which equals to 16/17. So 16/17 part of volume of x brick is equals to the volume to be filled in the system or not? जो आपके पास वो 16/17 का पार्ट आया है वो इसी में तो फिल करोगे या नहीं करोगे? आप इसी में एंटर करवाओगे? यस और नो? इसी में एंटर करवाओगे. मीनिंग इज दैट टोटल वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू द वॉल्यूम टू बी फिल्डेड इन द सिस्टम. इसको इसके इक्वल पुट कर दो और इसको भी इससे भी करोगे तो इसको राइट हैंड साइड लेके जाओगे. देन वी विल गेट द सेम इक्वेशन हियर. वी ऑब्टेन और नॉट सेम इक्वेशन हियर? अंडरस्टैंड? So direct after that step you can use directly that step also. 16/17 multiply by the volume of x bricks is equals to the volume to be filled in the system. After that in 13.5 any problem? Question number second. In question number second, a right triangle whose side are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter other than hypotenuse is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. अब इसको किसके along revolve किया? hypotenuse के along क्या कर दिया? revolve कर दिया. Right triangle whose sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter other than hypotenuse is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. Right angle triangle that is hypotenuse 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Second also A, B, C. Now we are revolving about its hypotenuse. अब क्या किया है इसको hypotenuse के along revolve किया. So students, how we will revolve that one to get a double cone? आपको डबल कॉन फॉर्म करना है तो उसको कैसे रिवॉल्व करोगे? About AC. How we will revolve that one? डबल कौन फॉर्म करना आपको? यस व्हाट? हाउ cone is forming here? That angle is 90 degree. AC, what is the AC value? Using Pythagoras theorem, 5 centimeter. Now when we are revolving about its hypotenuse, then we obtain that type of double cone. Okay, so here case first revolve किया 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. First right angle triangle ABC, second ADC, double cone. First cone is BAD, second is BCD. Then you will find out the volume and that surface area. Then how we will find out that one? To calculate the volume over the surface area, we will require student here the height. And what is the height of the cone here? What is the height? How we will find out the height, student? Yes? How? Let intersection point is O. Then how we will find out the OB? OB कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे आप? Yes. Yes. Then to calculate the height, we can use the concept of area of triangle also. If we will find out area of triangle ABC, so area of triangle ABC क्या बनेगा? देखो, area of triangle ABC 1/2. Base is AB and height is BC. Or we can find out the area of triangle ABC in another way also. 1/2. If we will take AC is the base, then BO is the perpendicular or not? 1/2 4 into 3 is equals to 1/2 5 into BO. From here you can easily find out BO. 12/5, that will come 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter will come or not? Then for first OA OC, इस फर्स्ट कॉन के लिए ये रेडियस आ गई. अब आपको हाइट कैलकुलेट करना है, तो वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करो, क्या बनेगा 1/3 पाई r1 स्क्वायर h1 प्लस 1/3 पाई r2 स्क्वायर h2. हियर रेडियस आर इक्वल और नॉट? रेडियस इक्वल है, so 1/3 पाई r स्क्वायर h1 प्लस 1/3 पाई r स्क्वायर h2, that is h1 h2 1/3 पाई r स्क्वायर is common, h1 plus h2 1/3 22/7. What is the radius? Calculated 2.4 whole square. h1 plus h2 is equals to AC, and AC value is the 5. Simplify, you obtain the volume of the double cone. Understand? So for today class enough, because 8:45 another class also. Okay? Thank you students. In next class we will discuss firstly your chapter 14 and 15. So we will read questions from R.D. Sharma, that all. And if you are having problem, then send to me your problem on my WhatsApp number. जो आपको जिस क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम है या आरडी शर्मा कोई क्वेश्चन हो, उसकी इमेज लो और सेंड कर देना मेरे पर्सनल नंबर. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स.